this is the final look. This is what I did to my Nadula unit. It is a 24-inch body wave V-part unit. I love it so much. I love how nice and full it is. I love that these curls are gorgeous. They stay in place thanks to my Kenra working spray. It's just a medium hold, so these curls are definitely going to be waves in about 2-3 hours. But as for right now, it's holding up really well. This unit is actually just like stunning, really gorgeous, and super affordable, might I add. So if you'd like to go ahead and purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. This is also a very flat unit. I love how nice and flat it is. It's not bulky in the back. I love that. The adjustable straps and everything with the clips and the combs definitely worked in order to make this wig super snug on my head, and I'm loving it. So if you'd like to purchase, again, the links will be in the description box. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Nadula for sending me this gorgeous wig, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.